Hey guys, welcome. In this course, you're going to learn the essential parts of JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. Usually, a lot of people confuse JavaScript with Java. Now, there's a huge difference when it comes for JavaScript and Java. Java is a programming language which is completely dependent on IDE. That means in order to run Java in your computer, you need to have Java installed on your computer, and also you need an IDE to run that. And also it is used for software development, and it requires a compiler to run. When it comes for JavaScript is a browser-based programming language. That means you do not need any kind of IDE or any kind of software to be installed on your computer to learn or run JavaScript. The only thing you need to run JavaScript is just a browser and a notepad. And you can use any latest browser like Chrome, Opera, Safari, Firefox, anything will work fine. It also works fine with all the code editors. So there's no specific recommendation that you have to use Notepad++ or Sublime or Visual Studio Code or nothing like that. You can use any code editor as you wish. One of the most amazing parts of JavaScript is that it is simple and it is easy to start and learn. JavaScript uses a very easy to learn syntaxes. So the big question is, where is JavaScript used? JavaScript is used in bigger applications like Acrobat, Photoshop, and many other popular applications. JavaScript is also used in the server-side programming like Node.js and Google Apps Script. So if you check out some of the history of JavaScript, JavaScript was first developed in 1995 and was named LiveScript. But then Netscape took over JavaScript and they named it as JScript. Then the JScript was renamed to ECMAScript in 1997, and in 1999 the official name was called as ECMAScript 3. In 2009, JavaScript released the ECMAScript 5, and the latest currently now which is available is ES6. ES7 is still under development and it requires a lot of functionality. ES6 and ES7 will not be covered in this course, although we're going to cover until ES5, and you're going to learn all the essential parts of the JavaScript. So there is a lot to learn, so let's get started.